Hello tax avoiders. We are Anonymous Revenue and Customs. For some time you and your companies have committed the criminal act by evading taxes. For this you should have been fined, your company repossessed and made bankrupt. This money that you owe should be injected into the economy. With these unpaid taxes this would have kept open schools, hospitals and many other public services. These unpaid taxes have grown to over £25 billion. How have the HMRC not clamped down on you? Because of the sweet deals that you have made. Because the HMRC or debt collection agencies haven't acted accordingly, we have decided that we shall take actions into our own hands. We will strike your websites and will make you suffer losses. We will also be in your stores disrupting your daily businesses and sales. You have been warned. If we do not see that you are going to resolve these issues, then we will increase our tax and disruption toward your companies. We know who you are and you cannot avoid justice. You cannot hide behind your security and police. We are coming for you all. Operation Dark has been engaged. All Anons participating work together with the occupiers in your towns and cities to bring justice upon those who commit these crimes. For we are many and growing. We will not be silenced. We are anonymous, we are legion. We do not forgive, we do not forget, expect us. Vodafone IP 192.232.193.8 Boots IP to 12.53. Date 9. 138 Topshop IP to 047499. 100 BH's IP to 126214. 2 Barclays IP 19569. 152 87 HSBC IP 161 113 478.
Go.
Mic check!
Mic check!
Mic check!
Mic check!
We are Occupy Belfast!
We are Occupy Belfast!
We would like to state that this is not against the workers of Vodafone!
We would like to state this is not against the workers of Vodafone!
Today, we have targeted Vodafone to demand that they pay their tax!
Today, we have targeted
Vodafone to demand that they pay their tax! We demand that the tax loopholes that allow mega-rich corporations to dodge their tax duties are closed. And the money is restored to the people. The money is restored to the people. The austerity measures are ideologically motivated. They are not necessary. As capitalism would have us believe. If capitalism has the interest of the people at heart, they would force Vodafone and corporations like it to pay their tax. Currently, £123 billion worth of corporation taxes are legally avoided. The fact that Vodafone dodged $6 billion in tax. Public money for public services. Demonstrate this clearly. Just as clear as the unwillingness of the party in storming to represent the people. Rather than calling for a reduction in corporation tax. Tax cut to the rich should be paid by the public. For the return
You are on CCTV, so just to make you aware.
The party is storming. For the return of public money.